In Mr. Imaging Physics, DWI and ADC must be read as a pair, not individual pictures. Low ADC indicates true restriction. High DWI with high ADC suggests T2 shine-through, which is a classic trap. DWI is fast enough to change management, but ADC confirms if the bright signal is a real restriction. ADC separates restricted microstructure from T2 shine-through. Only the full information stack earns the term restricted diffusion. Diffusion signal is a competition between microscopic motion and T2 memory. Free water and highly viscous debris show different signal decays across B values. DWI is T2-weighted EPI with diffusion gradients. ADC estimates signal decay across B values, acting as the referee for brightness. The ADC protocol is only reliable when built from clean, matched diffusion images. This video highlights the key components: DWI acquisition, ADC map generation, anatomic anchors like flare and T1, and problem-solving sequences like non-EPI DWI and perfusion. Raising the B value improves restriction conspicuity, but also increases noise and distortion. A high B value image alone is not a conclusion, but an invitation to inspect the ADC. Always compare quantitative values only when acquisition protocols are consistent. The DWI and ADC pairing is the true differentiator, not just DWI brightness. True restriction has a low ADC with DWI high. T2 shine-through has normal or high ADC with DWI high. Always say restricted diffusion only when ADC is low and the anatomic pattern is sound. Acute infarct shows low ADC in a vascular pattern until pseudonormalization. The mechanism is cytotoxic edema from energy failure. Remember to filter mimics like seizures or tumors that can restrict diffusion outside an arterial territory. Untreated pyogenic abscesses restrict centrally due to purulent debris. The hallmark is central DWI high and ADC low within a ring-enhancing lesion. Necrotic tumor usually does not restrict centrally. If the diagnosis remains uncertain, add perfusion or MRS. Epidermoid is a cisternal lesion that restricts water motion unlike CSF. It appears dirty bright on DWI, with ADC lower than CSF. In contrast, an arachnoid cyst follows CSF signal on all sequences, indicating free diffusion. Low ADC suggests high cellularity in tumors, though it does not replace histology. Use low ADC to identify viable solid tumors and choose biopsy targets. ADC pitfalls include steroids, hemorrhage, necrosis, and non-comparable protocols. The WHO-CNS diagnosis still relies on integrated histology and molecular pathology. ADC pitfalls involve physics, timing, or ROI discipline. These include T2 shine-through, T2 blackout from susceptibility, EPI distortion, pseudonormalization over time, and partial volume effects. The practical fix is to review the entire image stack before naming the abnormality. 3 key mimics can derail interpretation if DWI is read alone. These include T2 shine-through, susceptibility/T2 blackout, and non-vascular cortical restriction. Always use the hallmark differentiator for each to ensure an accurate diagnosis. When reporting, state the DWI-ADC pair and describe the compartment and related anatomy. Name the pitfall if present. Use ADC as supportive evidence for cellularity, not a standalone CNS diagnosis. Remember, the diagnosis starts only after DWI, ADC, and anatomy agree.